Hello Sprouts! For our writing today, we're going to continue to plan our invention, and we're going to be doing a little bit of drawing with our writing. So you're going to need a plain piece of paper and either a pen or a pencil. I'm going to use a pen. So to start, you are going to draw what you want your invention to look like. Now this is what you want it to look like. It might not be what it actually looks like, but that's okay. If you remember yesterday, I decided that my invention was going to protect me and was going to be inspired by a cactus. So I am going to draw my invention first, and because my invention is going to protect me, I'm going to draw me, and then I'm going to do my very best to try and draw my invention. And I might use some colors, I might not. You might make yours even better than mine because you're going to take a lot of time and care with your drawing, whereas I may not. So here's my invention. It's a blanket that has the thorns of a cactus on the outside so that it can protect me from people who try to touch me. So now that I've drawn what I want my invention to look like, I'm going to do some labeling so that when I go to make my invention, I know the different parts. So my first part are the thorns on the outside. So I'm just going to draw an arrow to one of the thorns, and then I'm going to write cactus thorns, just like this. So the arrow is pointing directly at one of the thorns, and then it's labeled. I'm also going to label the blanket, so I'm going to draw another arrow that points to the blanket part, and I'm going to label that blanket. I'm also going to label me because somebody who is looking at this picture might say, who's that? So I've got me, I've got my blanket, and I also want to label the inside of my blanket because if the cactus thorns are on the inside and the outside, then it's going to end up poking me, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to label that inside of the blanket is soft. So I have me, my cactus thorns, the inside is soft, and I'm noticing that I just wrote blanket here, and it's pointing to this part, so I'm actually going to add a label there that says outside of the blanket. So I have my outside of the blanket, cactus thorns, me, and the inside is soft. So now when I actually go to make my blanket, I have kind of a plan of what I want it to look like. I can't wait to see what your plan looks like. Bye.